guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry it's been so long. I've actually been doing a lot of projects and not filming them. But I decided I'd hop on here today. And yeah, do a little video for you. I have this shirt. It's I think it's a child's large. I'm not too sure, but I found it in my fabric stash. So I'm gonna do a little DIY to it. So I'm gonna start, I've already pre-measured. I'm gonna cut 4.5 inches off the bottom. So I'm using a ruler. I'm just gonna take it like this and then just mark it right here. And I'm just using this white fabric pencil, and it helps so that way when you're marking in the shirt, you know, you can see it. Alright, so I have made my marks on the shirt. You can see these white little lines. Hopefully you can see that. Anyway, there's like white lines on them, and that basically just tells me where, yeah, right there, you can see them. That basically just tells me where I'm gonna cut. Alright, so I just tried it on. It's a good length. So now basically my plan was to take the front of it and from like here down to just cut it, and then that's when this comes in handy, because we're actually going to cut some pieces off of this and make like little strings and tie them in there. So now I am just going to cut a few straps off of this piece. I'm gonna cut this way, so it's gonna go like that. It's actually the next day. So I went ahead and I finished the shirt. I didn't record this step because well, I ended up doing a few different things. This was how I originally wanted to do it. And then I was actually struggling with these pieces, so I ended up just kind of sewing a little strap here and then here. And when I tried it on, I didn't actually really like it, so I decided to just take it out and just go back to the original plan. If you guys remember a couple videos back, I actually did a similar shirt with buttons. And that was pretty much the same way that I did these ones. So if you guys want to watch how I did that, you can go ahead and I will link it one of the corners. And then, yeah, after that I just put in this string. It actually is the bottom piece. Remember, I told you that we were going to end up using this piece. So that's basically what it is. I just cut a little piece off of this and then just kind of weaved it in, and this is pretty much how it turned out. For now, I think I'm gonna leave it with just the two and then leave this piece underneath, because I think that kind of gives it a unique look rather than just having it go all the way down. So yeah, that's kind of what it looks like. I pretty much designed this to go with like either high-waisted like jeans, shorts, or like leggings, and then you just put like a bodysuit underneath and it would be like perfect.